What are your views on current situation of COVID-19?
See, COVID-19 after lockdown is relaxed and opened, the number of cases will increase. But the death rate, if it remains within 3 to 4%, economy can come back on its track. The concern is more about the death rates rather than the number of people having COVID-19 infection.
What are
If the number of recoveries are more and the death rate remains between 3% or lower than 3%, that is we have to consider it as normal situation.
What are the challenges?
Challenges are that whatever is being said as the rule for keeping the death rate low, keeping the COVID infection spread low, that is distancing, sanitization, hygiene, those have to be part of life. They have to be a part of our system. If we don't make them, the death rates will increase. And that will be panic situation.
What is your agenda or top priorities now?
Top priority is on one side to keep people safe, use my knowledge, use all my resources to see that wherever I can reach and keep people safe, give them ideas on what is happening globally and what are people succeeding with keeping themselves safe. That is on a personal front, and that also is linked to my business because we are into healthcare. Recently, we have been studying a lot of research on vitamin D and how vitamin D has been responsible for prevention of COVID. And there is a data which has come from 20 countries which says that when the vitamin D level is low, the death rate due to COVID is high. So because of this, we are telling people to keep the vitamin D level high, which has two impacts. One, it saves people from COVID or likely to save people from COVID, which is a research finding. And second is that since we are one of the basic producers of the best vitamin D capsules with omega-3, we get our business contribution also aligned. So business and personal get both aligned in our case.
What is your message for business community?
Align with the COVID-19 situation and do your business as it was done. The business has to go more on digital, more on, personal meetings, one-to-one meetings. These are what is the restriction. Rest everything is open and already India is progressed to a very high level of digital stage. So, and further now we have to innovate ways to keep ourselves more digital and do contactless business.
What is your message for shareholders?
Today our shareholders must be worried that what is happening. The whole market is getting a beating. SME stocks are getting more beating than the bigger stocks. But I can assure all my shareholders that we are on the right track. We are doing our business. We are aligning with COVID. And I have a internal projection in my mind that will come out much smarter than what we were before COVID, because now the priority of the humanity has shifted from all other priorities to healthcare as the top priority.
What are your suggestions to the government?
If government has to do its only governance and reduce the compliance factors which are so high at this moment that the 8 to 10% of the cost goes only in ensuring a listed company's compliances. Every day morning, a big agenda is, are we complying to the requirements or not? And compliance is the topmost priority in everybody's mind. And it should be, because that's the law of the land. But for the timing till we get into a structured normal, the compliance issues should be relaxed to a level that they don't become hurdle to growth.
Are you developing any product to fight COVID-19?
We already have launched 2 products to fight COVID-19. One of them is a big vitamin D3 product, which is required by every individual, because Indian population, 70% of Indian population is low in vitamin D3. And we have made another product, a vitamin formula, again, which is an immunity booster of 46 known immunity ingredients. This is the biggest formula, most stable formula, and it gives the body all the 46 immunity activators and modulators. So we expect that with this product itself, we see a market of about 10 to 15 crores coming up in the coming year.
Has your working been affected by COVID-19?
Yeah, greatly, because demand side is very good. Demand side we have had no problem. Our main problem has been the supply side. The couriers were not working. We were unable to reach products to the people. People who are used to taking our products regularly for their health benefits have missed their doses. So they have been chasing us to send them products. But due to the lockdown, we have not been able to supply the products. So demand side is very good. Supply side is a challenge, which now over the last, after the 4th May, the position has improved considerably, and at least we are able to serve our customers in the green zones. However, orange and red zones still become a challenge.
How do you look at the opportunities?
The opportunity for a company like us, which is on prophylactic and preventive side, and with no treatment or no cure for COVID, there is a fallback. The second line of fallback is prevention. And when prevention comes, we are on the top of the demand side.
Any other important point you may like to share?
Yeah, we are looking at a 3-year window, and with the COVID around for next 2 to 3 years, we hope to be doing very well in terms of our revenue growth and customer acquisition on our store, which is our e-commerce store, BM store, because we have all the right mixes. We have the product which the consumer needs. We are doing a business through e-commerce where there is no customer visit to be made. He can buy online, and we are ensuring that deliveries become contactless. So all these 3 put together should give us a very good future, opportunity out of a catastrophe.